Hey, what's going on everyone? So WhatsApp has finally made some changes in their policies which made us a bit uncomfortable. The policy update is scary to some people who are really worried about their privacy. So in this video we'll be discussing about the available messaging applications like WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook Messenger and the newly marketed app Signal and what data they store on their servers. This video will help you to decide which messaging application you should use. So my name is Sovik, welcome to Phone Politics, let's get started. WhatsApp's new privacy policy has people worried, but how much data does it collect compared to other messaging apps such as Signal, Telegram and Facebook Messenger? A lot more as shown by the privacy labels of these messaging apps as shown on Apple's App Store. Both Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp collect usage data and location details unlike the other apps. In contrast, Signal seems to be the more private messaging apps and doesn't collect any user data as per the privacy details highlighted on the App Store. Perhaps unsurprisingly given this fact, Facebook earlier criticized Apple's move to display privacy labels. The details available on the App Store show that Facebook Messenger is the most acquisitive when it comes to user data collection, followed by WhatsApp. The list of data both apps collect includes user purchase history, financial information, location details, contacts, phone number, email addresses, and usage data, among others. At a time when people are expressing concerns about WhatsApp's new privacy policy changes, which you have to accept or your account will be deleted, it's interesting to note all the data that the app, which has more than 400 million users in India alone, is collecting more data. You can see these details on the App Store yourself if you have an iPhone. Here is a detailed breakdown of all the data that these apps collect. So first, let's talk about what data WhatsApp collect. WhatsApp collects device ID, user ID, advertising data, purchase history, course location, phone number, email addresses, contacts, product interaction, crash data, performance data, other diagnostic data, payment info, customer support, product interaction and other user content. Now let's talk about what data Facebook Messenger collect. Facebook Messenger collects your purchase history, other financial info, precise location, course location, physical address, email address, name, phone number, other user contact info, contacts, your photos and videos, gameplay content, other user content, search history, browsing history, user ID, device ID, product interaction, advertising data, other usage data, crash data, performance data, other diagnostic data, other data types, browsing history, your health, fitness, payment info, your audio data, gameplay content, your customer support, other user content, your search history, sensitive info, iMessages, email addresses, phone number search history, and your device ID. Now let's talk about what data Telegram collects. Telegram collects only your contact info, your contacts, and your user ID. Now let's talk about the newly marketed Signal app. Signal app for now doesn't store any of your information. The only personal data Signal stores is your phone number and it makes no attempt to link that to your identity. Facebook criticized Apple's privacy labels in newspaper advertisements shortly after they stated appearing on the App Store last month. WhatsApp also separately accused Apple of implementing anti-competitive policies over the recent update. It is important to point out that the privacy labels on the App Store are based on the self-submission made by developers to Apple that is not yet manually checked. But nonetheless, companies including Facebook also provide such details in their lengthy privacy policies as well that aren't read by a large number of their users. Now it's up to you which messaging application you want to use. If you're really concerned about your privacy and don't want anyone to collect your personal data, then it would be relaxing if you can switch either to Telegram or to Signal. At the end of the day, it's your data and you need to keep it safe. So that's all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.